Another issue that happens inside the class that wastes a lot of time and creates a lot of chaos is the moment when the students are leaving the class while you're dismissing them. Usually, if they are leaving the class, if you're teaching a course, especially it's in university or in any institution where the students are leaving the class and other students are coming in, and you have different classes rolling one after the other, you will just find that they might be leaving the chairs scattered around, maybe leaving the bottles of water, spilling some drops on the tables, leaving some trash under the table. It's like it happens with some places when the students are not really used to be taking care of their classrooms or the environment around them. So what if you notice something like this? You can just tell them the next time. If you couldn't catch it the first time, there's always a chance for changing their attitude. And you would just go and tell them the next class before you leave. It would be really great that we leave the classroom better than how we found it in the first place. So please make sure that you organize your table. Make sure you're not leaving any trash around it or you're spilling anything on the table, so that when the next class comes, they will find it as clean as you found it, or even better. And you can just make sure that you have a team leader of each group, if they are sitting in groups, to just make sure that everything is organized. They do not have to clean themselves for other people. They can just gently remind their team, let's organize everything before we leave. Remember, we're not just teaching English here. We are teaching the students to become better human beings. You find people everywhere now, just, according to where you're living, you might find them throwing things or trash in the street. They are just destroying the kind of equipment they have in their institutions, whether at work or at universities, classes, which will not be good for other people or other generations who are coming along. So let's just teach them to always be organized and to make sure that the environment around them is clean.